Hello my beautiful people, near and far, all over the world. Good morning to each and every one of you. I hope you are all doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Guys, I am back in the kitchen with a quick recipe what I'm about to show you guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I prepare and make my spare ribs. First of all, I've got some nice clean spare ribs right here. They're all washed and they're looking really good. And I'll be marinating them, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven to bake for about 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna start the seasoning process. My oven is already on. I'm leaving my oven to heat up. So once I finish, I'm gonna put them straight into my oven. So guys, I'm just washing my hands, making sure my hands is all clean. I already uploaded a video showing you guys my spare ribs, and I told a lot of people if they want me to show them what to do, to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and there's quite a few people leave a comment to say they would love me to show them what to do. So guys, I am back in the kitchen to show you exactly what to do. And like I said in all my videos, there's people who already know what to do, and there's also people who don't know what to do. So if you already know what to do and you do it a bit different from the way how I do it, feel free to try it out my way. So let's get started. So now I've got some chili and garlic seasoning what I'll be using. I'm gonna go in with not a lot because this seasoning contains salt, so we don't need a lot. So I'm just using half of a tablespoon. I'll be using in some Nando's flavor shaker, garlic and herbs. I'll be using a small amount. I'm also using some tropical seasoning. Some jerk seasoning. I'm not using a lot of seasoning because it contains salt. My spare ribs is also, some people say spare ribs, some people say bacon ribs. It's still the same. It contains salt, so I give it a good wash, to make sure I get rid of all the salt. I also boil it off for about 10 minutes so that most of the salt is out. But you don't want all the salt to be out because the salt helps to give it a bit of flavor. But it's just that we don't want too much salt in. Salt is also not good for us. And I'm now going to start my seasoning process. So I'm just going to mix all my season together. Just make sure I combine all my season together. When I finish seasoning my spare ribs, I'm also going to show you guys how I'm going to make some sauce to go on top of it when it is finished. So what I'm going to do is season it, put it in the oven, leave it for about 45 minutes, then take it out, and then I'm going to put my sauce all over it. Then pop it back in the oven for another 25 minutes and then it should be ready. So I'm now going to start seasoning my spare ribs. And guys, all these seasoning, I always tell you in all my videos where you can go to buy these seasoning. You can buy them from your local supermarket, your grocery store, or you can order them online. And they're not expensive. Guys, I just want to say once more, thank you guys so much for the love and the continuous support what you're showing me. I really and truly appreciate and love each and every one of you. So, to all of my viewers and subscribers all over the world, enough love and enough appreciation. Please continue to watch my videos, like up the video, share up the videos, thumbs up the videos. Guys, it's not easy. This work is not easy. It's very challenging. And I'm sharing all my recipes and tips and ideas with you guys. So please continue to show me some love and support me on my YouTube journey. Sharing is caring and it's free. You don't have to pay to share this video. So I just put that out the way. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of my Downs River Jamaican jerk seasoning. And this is to put some heat in it. So when you're eating these ribs, it's going to be really nice and full of flavor. And not too fiery because I'm not going to overdo it. But if you like it to be very, very spicy, then you can go ahead and add a bit more. Guys, today is bank holiday here in England, so I am not working today. So I decided to do this video for you guys because I promised you that I was going to come back and show you what to do. So I stick to my promise because I know you guys are looking forward to seeing these videos. So please guys, if you got a YouTube platform, please share this video for me. Share it on social media and continue to share it with family and friends. I would really love and appreciate that. And when you try this recipe out, come back, leave a comment and tell me if you enjoy my spare ribs. Yes guys, so here is my tray all lined with my foil paper and the shiny bit. This is the side what you're supposed to use to line your baking tray. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just lay them on my tray and then pop them in the oven. I'm not doing a lot because I'm just doing enough just to show you guys exactly how to prepare and make it. So if you are doing it for a large family, obviously now you're gonna need a lot more. Right. So I'm now gonna pop it into my oven. And my oven is on gas mark 6. And I'm gonna leave it for 45 minutes, like I told you. So guys, what I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make the sauce. And then once I make the sauce, I'm gonna have a break, and then when I will come back when it is finished, and then you guys can see exactly how it looks. So guys, I'm now gonna make the sauce to go with my spare ribs, and I'm just going in with some tomato ketchup sauce. I'm not making a lot because, like I said, there's not a lot of ribs what I'm doing. So I'm going with my tomato sauce, ketchup sauce. Then I'll be using quite a few sauce guys, because the more sauce is the nicer the flavor. So I'm going with some oxo marinates in 10 minutes, and it's a sweet and tangy sauce. I've tried it out and I really like it. So I'm gonna go in with some of that. I'm also gonna go in with some Maggi extra hot chili sauce. This sauce is also really good. I'm also gonna go in with some Echo Jamaican style jerk BBQ sauce. This one, wow. Trust me guys, this thing is gonna be really nice. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of water. I don't want the sauce to be too, it's not supposed to be runny and it's supposed to be thick. Yes. And guys, trust me, even though I've done with chicken, even though I've already added some of this to my ribs, I'm gonna still go in with a bit of my jerk. So this season's gonna be very, very, very spicy. Yeah. Yeah, this sauce is gonna be very, very spicy, but that's what we want. Yeah. So look at it guys, it's looking really good and it smells really, really good. So I'm just gonna leave my sauce now to go thick. Once my sauce is ready, I'm gonna put it aside and let it stay until when my ribs are ready. So when I come back, I'm gonna show you how to baste the ribs with the sauce, and then like I said, I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes and then it will be ready for serving. So guys, I'm gonna go now and I will see you in a little while. So yes, my beautiful people, I am back. The spare ribs is looking really, really good. I've just took them out of the oven and I'm now gonna baste them with my sauce, what I've just made. And I show you guys exactly how I made my sauce. If you have a brush, it would have been better to use a brush. These are very hot, so I'm gonna have to be very careful what I'm doing because I don't want to get burned. So if you have a brush, it's a lot better, but I don't have any brush, so I'm just gonna have to work with my spoon. And this is what's gonna bring the flavor out. So I'm gonna turn it over and then baste it on both sides. Guys, it smells really good. So once I finish baste my ribs, I'm gonna put it back in the oven and just leave it for about 15 minutes and then it will be ready. Wow. Guys, only if you could smell this, only if the smell could come through the phone. Trust me guys, it's really smelling good. Up though, Faro, over there in Australia, big up your nice clean self. And Tom, big up your nice clean self, my general. Abdo was asking me yesterday when am I gonna do this recipe. So Abdo, here I am. I'm in the kitchen doing it especially for you guys. I would never let you guys down. I would never let none of my fans down. It's just that sometimes, you know, I'm busy working. And if you ask me to show you how to do something, I won't forget. I'll still remember, but I just need that bit of time to get around to do it. So don't think that I forget. If I don't show you, don't think that I forget. I remember, but I just need the time to do it. Guys, this is hot. So guys, when you are doing it at home, be careful so that you don't get burned. And it's best to use a little brush if you got one. I'm gonna have to go out and treat myself to a brush so that next time when I'm doing stuff like this, I can just use the brush and brush it. It's a lot quicker and it's a lot easier when you use the brush. So now I've done it on both sides. Both sides. Right guys, it's all finished now, so I am going to pop it back in the oven now for another 20 minutes and it will be ready. Commercial break, and when I return I will be showing you exactly how it looks once it is finished. So guys, my spare ribs is ready and it's looking really good. So I'm just gonna put it on a plate. Wow, wow, look at that guys. Look at that. That is what I call real spare ribs. Finger licking good. My beautiful people, Rose's spare ribs is now ready. So look at it guys, it's looking really, really yummy. Very delicious. So I'm gonna have a small taste and then I'll tell you guys exactly what I think. I'm gonna stuck my teeth straight in it. Please eat with me. Wow. Sell off. When I say sell off, I mean sell off. Wow. It took me a good while, over 45 minutes for it to be ready, but it's worth it. It's really, 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 really nice guys. So please guys, try this recipe out at home. You can also prepare and make it in your air fryer if you've got one. And with summer is here, you can use it for barbecue, you know, for your new family. So you can do it in your oven, air fryer, or whichever way you like it. It's really, really nice guys, trust me. And it's also healthy because there's no fat or anything. So please try out this recipe. Come back and let me know if you enjoy it. And thanks a lot for all those people who watch the videos and leave a comment in the comment to say that they want me to show them how to prepare and make these ribs. So it's all ready guys, so it's time now for you to go and try it out at home with you and your family. And if you watch my video and do exactly what I do, you will end up with the same result, just like me. Trust me, guys. This thing is, wow, real finger licking. Trust me. JJ can't wait to get his teeth in it. Guys, JJ say, I can't wait to get my teeth in it. Trust me. Guys, big up JJ in the comment section down below. I am really and truly blessed to have a son, who stand by my side and help me every step of the way. He never complain. I'm really and truly blessed. Honest to God, I'm really, really and truly blessed. So just big him up in the comment section down below. Show him some love, you know, because he deserve it. He really deserve it, guys. So thanks once more for the love and the support. Big up on a nice clean self. And to was loving loads. And I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Peace, love. See you soon. Bye.